Being able to boot to the advanced startup options in Windows 10 is advantageous, especially when your PC has problems starting or running, because from there, you can gain access for repair. In this video, we'll go over a few ways of booting to this menu of helpful repair options. On most systems, simply tapping the F11 key rapidly as the system starts up will take you directly to the menu. Another way is from the Windows desktop. Open the Start menu and click on Settings, then on Update and Security. Select Recovery and click on Restart Now. The computer will restart and boot to an Options menu. From here, click on Troubleshoot and then on Advanced Options. A third method is from within the Windows logon screen. Just click on the power icon, and then while holding down the Shift key, click on the Restart icon. Click on Troubleshoot and then on Advanced Options, and you will see the menu. You can also use Windows 10 Startup Media or Windows 10 Bootable Install Media to get to the menu. When it boots to the media, click Next and select Repair Your Computer. Select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Keep in mind that if Windows 10 encounters a startup error or a number of startup errors in a row, this should automatically bring up the Advanced Startup option menu upon the next boot. Whenever you need help or have questions, you can always contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter. Check out the Dell Community Forum, where you can chat and share info with other Dell users. There are many more helpful tips and tutorials available on our Tech Support Dell channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.